Whether you're B2B or B2C focused, catering to the connected consumer is an imperative and requires a keen focus on human-to-human interaction. The connected consumer can make or break your brand with a few taps of their thumbs or a simple mouse click. Love them and they will love you back. This is a demo of EPiServer Commerce and how to handle the connected consumer. As the connected consumer is in and around one of your physical stores, why not provide them with a personalized, familiar experience and get them to convert? As a connected consumer often will appreciate the special feeling of us knowing so much about them. Our platform breaks down the boundaries between digital channels. It gives you the power to create customer experiences that start with mobile and goes everywhere. Create, edit, preview directly on mobile with automatic layout and design, and your content will be enabled and optimized for any device from PC to tablet. We give you the freedom to work from any device that suits your needs. The customer visited our brand and displayed an interest in a shawl that we are now pushing to the start page, trying to make a conversion happen. However, this time when they're viewing the product, we can also see they are very close to one of our stores in New York. Perhaps it is time to push this product with a discount to really drive them to the store and convert. Within EPiServer, you can always preview content based on who the visitor is and what the specific personalized experience is for them. Once they're in the store, they can see a specific QR code that will give them 20% off this item. Providing an incentive can really push the visitor to convert, increasing their cart size, or stop shopping around and prefer your brand over your competitors. EPiServer lets you promote, personalize, and measure content across all channels so that you can respond quicker to change, run rapid iterations, and be one step ahead of the competition. With our Personalization Manager, you can tailor content for your visitors and present contextual information that is relevant to their demographic, purchase history, interest, and the ways in which they interact with your content. Drag and drop any segment criteria on the right-hand side to build a visitor group that we would like to target with personalized content. Edit your criteria to fit your specific user base and define exactly when to surface personalized content. Here we are saying that if they are a visitor on our Wi-Fi in our store, or they are physically close to one of the stores, we can give them a personalized experience. We can also create visitor groups based on purchase pattern of visitors, really creating a unique experience with our brand as our relationship evolves. EPiServer comes with a geolocation database, which means that we can target content based on where the physical location of the visitor is. As you can see here, this visitor group has 3 criteria, 2 about where the visitor is from and it's close to our store in New York, and 1 that says if they're on our Wi-Fi, that's also a key indicator that they are close to our store. You can also set up different logic for how the visitor should be evaluated with the segments that we've dragged on. Here's an example of a visitor group called Big Spender. What we're trying to target here is somebody that's from New York but also spends a lot already with our brand. And what we're going to show to them is a 20% as well as a loyal customer. Once a visitor group has been created, it will immediately become available for content creators and merchandisers so that they can edit the experience for the visitor group. Now we're going to go into the editing experience of the specific product. It's a very easy and intuitive system, and what we're going to do is mark that the 20% off is also available to some of our other visitor groups. As soon as those visitor groups are created, they are available for us to make personalized content. Reports say that 80% of your company's future revenue will come from just 20% of your existing customer base. That 20% are your connected consumers. They're hyper engaged, highly influential, and they're your very best customers. With EPiServer Commerce, you do not need to fear, as you will follow in their trends and be agile in how you work with a connected consumer. This has been a demo of EPiServer Commerce and the connected consumer.